hidden features in Airbnb that you need to try. There are definitely some of the features within Airbnb that you want to try. The first one being is that aside from just properties, you can now also book experiences with people and book activities. So at the top, you can see this option called experiences. You can come here, you can look all of the experiences that you can book with people and every type of services that they offer. Aside from experiences, you also have services, so you can also go to services and then you'll be able to go ahead and then basically book some of the services that you'll be able to see within your area. The second is always using the advanced search to search for properties. So for example, where you're going, you can turn on your GPS, you can check in your date, check out, and add the number of guests that will be available and search for the properties that allows all of the services and everything that you're looking for. And you can also go ahead and then switch, and if you want to use your own places for booking, then what you can do is switch to hosting and you can list your own properties if you have them for Airbnb. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.